Alright, so this is our gold submission for FlexBook. I'm going to be going through some of the app's features again, as well as following where bugs are along the way and showing what we did to correct them. So first we're going to look at the register. As you can notice, I have my S Pen out right now to help point to things. So if I hit on register, it brings up where you can create an account locally, and it saves on our database. We're using Firebase. So I'm actually not going to log in this way, but I just wanted to show that it was there. So I'm going to actually log in with Facebook. So if you did register with our Firebase and you create an account, you can just enter in here your email and password and then log in. But we also have this button to log in with Facebook. And since I'm already logged in with Facebook on my phone, it'll just go through. But if you're not logged in with Facebook on your phone, then it will ask you for your Facebook credentials. Okay, so following up with our first bug is going to be that when see here for this home, we had a welcome screen that said welcome and then the user's name. But if the user didn't enter their name already, or if they logged in with Facebook, it just said welcome null. So now right away, if they don't have a name saved in our database, it prompts them to enter their name, which is cool, so that we don't get that null message. A lot of people that were testing our apps had gotten that message. Put my name in there and hit enter, and it says welcome Jared. So this is our home screen. We updated the icon just a little bit. That's not really a bug, but it was just for better looks. As you can see up here, we have a more options tab where you can log out if you need to. So let me just show the functionality with that. Go back to the login screen, and I can continue again with Facebook. Logs in, and here we are back at the home screen. Alright, so I deleted my account from our Firebase, so I should be able to do this as if I was just a fresh new user. So if I want to go to the first tab and hit Find Buddy, working out with buds is better. Okay, so we're going to hit Find Gym Partner, and there's a little toast that says Find Buds. So I'm going to add Jamie GB and Jamie UWGB. So an issue that we had before with adding friends was if you added them, they would still stay here, and you could add them multiple times, which got really confusing in the messaging tab. So here's just all the people. I'm gonna just add both of Jamie's accounts, and then if I go into your buddies, these were actually saved from before. Okay, so if you go into your buddies, we have here where you can tap to chat with them. So write a message, hi, send a message. Oh, because there's two of them. Hold on. There it is. Okay, so here's the message. We still have it so each person's message, they're both on the same side. So if I'm talking back and forth with Jamie, it's just gonna be on this side over here. So okay, you get the point. But yeah, so this is just showing the messaging feature. We went through that before. We didn't really fix any bugs with it, but here it is. We just updated some of the looks. Like we have this little chat icon now, and you can still tap on their name in order to get their description, their name, their fitness experience. But yeah, let me actually get into that now. So if you go into account, you can create your own stuff. So see, it has name as Jared. That's because we created that name in that initial pop-up when the app started. So fitness experience, if I hit edit profile, hit name, you can change the name. I'm just going to put Jared again. Fitness experience, there's actually a scroll down method. So fitness seller, fitness trainer, I'm just going to say intermediate cardio. So, and then you can write a little message about yourself. I'm going to say I play Frisbee. There, done. Save changes. So now it updates and it says my experience is intermediate cardio and I play Frisbee. So if we go moving on, we can still go to Find Gyms tab. That still works. I don't think we fixed any bugs with this, but just for a demo, we'll go through. It'll automatically put you in the Atlantic Ocean for some reason, or Pacific Ocean. But that's just due to Google Maps and how it just starts you in the center of the Earth, and then you have to then click the Find Your Location button over here, as you can see. So if I zoom out just a little bit, and I'm going to hit Find Gyms. We demoed this in our initial beta, and nothing's really changed, but you can still see the different gyms around the area. And it'll just show you the names for now. Okay. So workouts. There is a big bug that we had to fix here where it wasn't actually saving the workouts. So we could create them, the screens were working, but we couldn't actually save them. So I'm going to call this just workout and add exercise. So we're going to say run for the exercise. And so there's different slots here. So if I said lifting, I could put weights, reps, and duration, but I'm just going to put duration. So say I ran for 10 minutes. So there's that. And then description, I could say like ran down road. So that'll be my description. Apply changes and complete. So now I have, sorry about that. Keyboard is coming in the way. If I go back to that, into workouts, now we have this called workout, and we can see run 10 minutes. And yeah. We can also put other things, like if I did some push-ups or sit-ups, put them in here, do how many reps, and then maybe how long it was, and add a little thing there. But this is just a generic workout that we made. Okay, so let me get rid of that. All right, so looking at some more bugs. So the Find Buds tab. There was an issue when we first hit Find Buds that it wouldn't actually find anybody. Some of the users that were testing our app had that issue. They show up first. Try now, everybody will show up. If you can't find any buds, so say like there's no buds added in the database, then you won't be able to see anything, and a little toaster will pop up. But obviously there's buds in our database, so we're not able to see that now. But if there wasn't, there's a toast that we had to pop up. All right, so this should be all the features for FlexBook. Some of the things that we fixed with Gold, run through of the features. In future directions, we could have took this app a lot further with maybe making, say, an algorithm for matching people, and we wanted to really utilize the availability of tracking for where gyms are to match people based on that. So say like there would be a whole group chat for people on this app and in a certain gym for an area. So areas for future direction, if we wanted to take this into the App Store, of course we could do something like that, but for the time constraints, I think that we developed a decent app. It looks good, it works good, and I'm really proud of the group. Thank you for your time.